Peace and love, guys. This is your boy Kolowski, and today we have the military black Jordan 4s, and these were sent to me by a very special. You know what? I don't want to do the unboxing right now. Let's do the on foot real quick.
Yo, what's good? Kind of shouldn't be out here. It's like Wednesday. No, it's Thursday. Let's get it done real quick. Okay, and like I was saying, I'm gonna get this done real quick. I'm gonna run down there, come back, and what is that? You like my shirt? Funny story about this shirt. What's going on, bud? This old guy was grilling me. Where'd he go? Ah, he got away. Yo, I've always wanted to go in here, but I don't even know why. It looks all spooky, but they won't probably let me in there. Yeah, probably not the best idea. Ew, what is that? What is that? Haha, that was the dude. He just walked by again. He wanted to look at me, but I had the camera pointed that way, so he didn't look at me. Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm just filming the city.
That's fine. You get paid for that?
Huh?
You get a lot of money for that?
I get a little bit of money. Am I a coconut? Am I in school for this? Yeah, I'm in school. Yeah. Take care, guys. I don't know what that was all about, but that looked like two homeless women with clipboards pretending to be doing something important, but they weren't really doing nothing important, so that's why they probably had that small talk with me. Never tell the truth to homeless people. Never. All right, man, let me stop playing around and get this on foot, because I need to get back home, man. Drone, which is kind of messed up. Controller in there. Battery pack. This is what I need right here, the 50 mil. And this is starting to become my favorite lens. Can you guys hear me? This is starting to become my favorite lens for like the on foots, because it's just so good at what it does. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. It actually turned out to be a really nice day. Like, people are walking around looking happy and healthy. People are like holding hands and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Probably like some overhead shots, looking down. Yeah, let me get it up real quick. All right, I think I'm good to go. The drone got lost. Like, my controller lost the transmission within the air, and it wouldn't like send anything back to me. So I kind of had to like guess land it, and it kind of messed up my shot, but that's just how it goes sometimes. That looks pretty cool. I appreciate the shoes. I didn't think I would like these as much as I do. I think they're really dope. I creased the hell out of them. All right, there's too much going on, bro. I'm shutting this bitch down. Peace.
All right, I guess that's how you close out a video, guys. So peace and love. Today we have the Jordan 4 military black, white, black, neutral, gray, and at the recording of this video, they restocked yesterday on some surprise type stuff, and there was other Jordans that restocked, but I don't even bother with those sneakers apps and all that stuff no more, man. I just don't. It makes my anxiety go up, so I just say forget it. I can't even talk, see? But again, shout out to the gifter for getting me these. They sent them very quickly. I don't think I picked the shoe. I think they picked these, and I was like, all right, there's a slight chance I might get another pair of these, so you might see another review. And like I was saying before, I didn't really like go crazy for these. I'm gonna take that back. I don't dislike them. I just didn't get excited about them when I seen it. I like how they made the mudguard like this gray suede. That was what stood out to me in the beginning. But you kind of got to have the shoe in hand, not even on hand. You got to have it on foot to really see how these look. And I've already showed you that. And I thought they looked great. Like they feel great too. Like they're really, really comfortable. They didn't use the polyurethane. I'm just going to give up on the whole polyurethane thing. Whatever they're putting in the shoes now, it's good enough. But I wish they would go back to that. They're probably out of those insoles, to tell you the truth. Toe box is pretty good there. Got that really soft leather, not that cheap leather that like does that, because there's leather that does that too, and it's kind of cheaper, but this is not that. The quality is really good on these. I was actually surprised. The only thing I can give these like a knock on is the tongue, not behind, but in front. The tongue on some of the fours, like they just kind of want to twist a certain way, and it really throws me off. But there's the insole again, and it's not bad. I've actually never seen this one right here. I don't know what is that, the Dream Cell? That's a cool name, but it's not. I don't think that's polyurethane. It's not how the white one was, and it's just the softest thing in the world. It makes any shoe feel good. But this feels pretty good though, I can't lie. And the sneaker, it was nice. The sneaker is weird because it already looks like it's creased, but it's not. I don't know what that means in there, but I know some people want to see that stuff. I personally think it's interesting because you don't really see that many numbers on it, but it's dope. The back looks good. I mean, the Jumpman always looks kind of ordinary though. Like if they would have put Nike Air on the back of these, which they don't really do much, it would have made these kind of have a different feel to them. But you know, the Jumpman's cool. Look at the structure of the back, how that line or the stitching meets. That looks really good, like really, really good. I even like how the gray on the sides looks pretty. Like that looks good. Overall, that's how 4 should look. That netting kind of looks a little bit small, but I don't know if that's just my mind playing tricks on me. You can actually see the brushes on that black, that's not bad at all. But I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think about these? I like them. Like rocking them out and about, they're beautiful. So I don't know what those markings are. They don't look like yeah, I guess those kind of line up. I guess those are line up marks. They're spotty is what's throwing me off. Because you can usually see dotted lines, but there's more like spots. Let me check out this side. Is that the left shoe? Yeah, those are markings. I mean, because it looks exactly like how it is on the other one. It's just kind of, you could probably clean those off a lot easier. Those might even actually go away over time. If you wear them, they'll probably just go away. But that's it, guys. Peace, love, and light. I don't know what that is on the box. I was looking for something because I couldn't really find too many flaws on these. So I was like, there's got to be something in the box, and there wasn't. But I love you guys. Until the next one, peace.
Is he looking at me? Because I'm looking at him. That'd be dope if he's looking at me. Because I'm definitely looking at him. Oh, crap. Where'd he go? Yeah. Camera Brothers.